Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah. Nice to meet you. If you're new here, then welcome to my channel. And before we start, you might as well just subscribe because I put out content pretty much every single day, almost every single day, but still, enough to say you should subscribe. My content is, I think, pretty spectacular. So subscribe, become a Kwak fan, and go ahead and click on the notification bell, that little gray bell you see down there, mainly because the way YouTube is organized, I feel like they push videos that they want you to see. And if you want to see my videos, you need to be notified for that kind of stuff. So click on the bell. It does no harm. All it does is just notify you that I posted a video. So that's it. Very simple, easy, free to subscribe, free to click the notification bell. You know, who doesn't like free stuff? So, and before we begin, obviously this is the look we're gonna make. So hopefully you guys like this look, and if you want to see how to achieve this look, without further ado, let's start the video. I feel like you guys already know how I do my brows and, you know, all that good stuff, so I kind of, you know, skipped that part for you guys and finished my brows. And then I've also, you know, what do you call it? Words. Think of words, Sarah. I've also primed my lids and put on the base, you know, the bone color shadow. There you go. You guys, it's late. You guys know, usually I record late at night, so my brain might be already half shut off, so please forgive me. Alright, so I'm feeling like a pinky purple vibe for the springtime. I mean, that's just what I'm geared towards, so let's do this. Alright, so pink, purple. I kind of want to use both them together, so how should I do this? Let me see. I am mapping out my face and thinking, So let's just start off by telling you guys I'll be diving into my Too Faced Kandee Johnson palette. And these colors are so pretty right there. And then I'll be diving into my Sonia Kashuk palette. And it's just a duo palette. It has 2 shades. And possibly diving into my NYX single palette. This is in the shade Deep Purple. So first, let's go ahead and do like a transition color. I feel like you should always start off with some sort of like transition color. I guess that's like the first step. Don't quote me on that. That's just what I do. So I'm picking up the color Butterscotch from the Too Faced Kandee Johnson palette. So now I'm diving into the color Raspberry Cocoa in that same palette and placing that again on top of the cream puff. So now taking my not so modest Sonia Kashuk palette, diving into that purple. What do they call this purple color? I have no idea, but a purple shimmery color. It doesn't have to be this exact, you know, color or palette, but just a purple shimmer. And I'm gonna put that on the outside. I feel like we need to use a wet brush. This shadow is like super light. Almost, I feel like it's not as pigmented as I would like it to be, so I'm going to dive into a different purple eyeshadow color. Let's try our NYX Deep Purple color. Sorry, Sonia, but you're just not doing it for me today. Okay, so that's so much better right now. The purple definitely shows. And my brush is still a little bit wet, but, you know, it definitely shows. Oh, this is so much better. As much as I love this color, this purple that's going on, I feel like it's not dark enough for me. So I'm going to pick up another purple shade color. And this one is by Hip, a metallic shadow duo. And it's called Sculpted. And I have used this, like, you know, used it a lot. Let me show you guys what the color looks like. So that is what the color looks like. And I'm just going to do the exact same thing, just, you know, work on the outer third of my eye with this color. It's just a much more intense purple color, and that's just what I want right now. now we're getting somewhere. I feel like this was the purple I was looking for, and yeah. I know it looks messy right now, but trust in the process. This will come together at the end and it will look beautiful. So trust. And yeah, so now take a clean fluffy brush, and this one is clean. Just cleaned it using my ultrasonic cleaner, and if you guys don't know what that is, I will put a link, like an eye link above the video, above this video, either over here, I don't know, look up and you'll see an eye. And I'll probably also put a link down below in the description box, so you know, can't miss it. So yeah, ultrasonic cleaner. I'm not being paid to say this, but it is a life saver, game changer. All right, so now take a clean fluffy brush and just kind of work your little brush all in that area. Just soften up the look. All right, next I'm gonna dive into this CC Beauty cream color kit and dive into this pink color right there. So for this, I'm just gonna use my fingers. I feel like it's like the best way to apply it. So just taking some on my finger, and I'm applying it on the inner 2/3 of my lid. Look how crazy pigmented that is. And now diving back into my what do you call it? The Too Faced Candy Johnson palette, and using my fingers, I'm dipping into the sugared strawberry color, which is like a shimmery pink color, like a shimmery frosted pink. And I'm going to dab that right on top of the pink we just applied. Alright, so is it just me, or does this look like it's missing something? I don't know. It just doesn't feel right to me. So I gotta think. Something is just not right. Well, first of all, I want to kind of deepen in the eyes a little bit. So let's take a pumpkin spice color mixed with some hazelnut from the Latte palette. Alright, you guys are gonna hate me, but let's go in with one more purple color. And this time I'm using the color Rockstar by Urban Decay. By now I feel like I kind of messed up my eyes a little bit, but I'm trusting in the process, you guys. I'm trusting in the process. Ooh, let's add some more glitter. I mean, you really can't go wrong with glitter. So I'm gonna take the Stila Diamond Dust glitter. You know, I'm sure you guys seen this plenty of times. And just dab that, put some on my fingers and just dab it like so. Ooh. That is what we were missing. Glitter just fixes literally everything. So I went ahead and cleaned up the lower fallouts messy part on my eyes, and now we're going to dive into the eyeliner. And I went ahead and applied my foundation and my concealer on my nose, under my eyes, cleaned it up a little bit, put my lashes. You guys can see what I did. And now we're going to kind of finish up our face and then finish the look up. And so for, let me see what's next. For the cheeks, I'm going to go in and use a cheek stain. For my highlight, I'm using my Wet n Wild in Botanics, Botanic Dream. And normally I don't really bronze up my face or contour, but I feel like I should. I recently got this butter bronzer. I am late to the game, I swear I am, but you know, better late than never. And I've been playing around with it a little bit, and I mean, I like it. I mean, it has like this scent to it that I'm like, you know, I guess it's supposed to smell good, I don't know, but it's like this butter bronzer. I probably don't have to show you guys because pretty much everyone except for me knows about it, used it, played with it, but I'm gonna show you anyways. It has a mirror. If you flip it up, and it also has like a little brush. It's not really a brush, it's like a foam. But I don't really use that. So I'm going to use my own personal brush. I feel like this like shade, they say it's supposed to be like universal, I guess. But I don't know. Just, you guys can tell me. I'm sure on camera it looks different than in person. But I feel like it's just, I don't know, it doesn't really match my skin tone. Or maybe it does make it look better. So let me just quickly bronze up my face. And then you guys can let me know in the comments below if if you guys like this on my face or not. Okay, so I finished applying the bronzer and I set my face and put on my lipstick or lippy. And what do you guys think? Does the bronzer look like it suits my face? Like, certain angles I feel like it does look nice, but then other angles I'm like, maybe the color isn't exactly the color I need on my face. I don't know. You guys let me know down below. And if you're curious how I got this lip color, I kind of mixed a little cocktail for you guys. So I mixed in my Milani in the color, I have no idea, but this Milani color right here, along with my dollar store beauty benefits. Yes, I'm still using this. I mean, this is cheap and pretty amazing. So I mixed these two colors together. So I put this on first, and then I dabbed a little bit of Milani, like, you know, strobe light glow right on the center of my lips. And then on top of it, I kind of like topped it off with the dollar store lip gloss. And ba-boom, that's what I got on my lips. So, and then I set my face, ready to go. So here is my finished look, I guess. So here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Let me guys just show you a close-up of what the eyes look like. So these are my eyes, close up. Just showing you guys what they look like up close. And hopefully you guys can see the details. So that's the finished look. Okay, so if you guys have any questions or comments or concerns, go ahead and let me know down below in the comment section. Everything I put on my face will be listed in the description box. So if you want to use the same exact product as I did, they're there for you in the description box. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Oh, and don't forget to watch the ultrasonic video, because honestly, I think it's pretty cool. And I feel like everyone should purchase one. But, you know, watch it, see if you like it, and maybe you might want to purchase one yourself. I don't know. Anyways, so hope you like this video, and I hope you have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I'll talk to you next time. All right, bye.